Hello everyone, welcome back to the Online Help Guide. I'll be guiding you on how to add templates to Instagram Story in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the top left. Tap on Templates at the top. Now select any templates. Tap on the sticker icon at the top beside the music icon. Tap on Photo. Then select the picture. Now you can adjust it as you like according to the template. Now tap on your story to post the story. And that is how to add templates to Instagram Story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.